Cordell Davenport with smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website. Variety of information that discusses buying and managing small apartments. Have a free ebook on there as well. You can check out. Talks about 20 essential reasons to own apartments, and it's a little video series of giving owners tips, talking about insurance. And when it comes to insurance, find competent insurance agents who deal specifically with real estate and apartments to give you ideas on the types of forms you may need for the insurance. There may be things as umbrella and business interruption protection. Be sure to compare prices from different insurance companies too. Put them on a spreadsheet. And based upon the amount of coverage offered and the type of insurance, it can help you better understand which route to go. And one thing about insurance, which is beautiful when it comes to owning apartments, is that if there are like forces of nature, they say acts of God, earthquakes and hurricanes and all things like that, insurance covers that. So think about stocks though. What happens if the stock price plummets and you got some crooks like Bertie Madoff? All of a sudden, poof, all that money is gone. But when you have insurance, you're covered. So that's one of the other perks that apartment brings to the table. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next round of small apartment owner tips.